How to write text on an image on Google Docs. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can write text on an image in Google Docs. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up the Google Docs in your file. After that, insert an image. Now if you want to add text in this image, here is how you can do it. First of all, go to your image and you have to right click on the image. From this menu box, you have to click on image options. After you click on image options, you have to head towards these text wrapping options. Now here, select behind text. After you do that, head over to your image, and now there you can start typing. And in this way you can insert text on your image in Google Docs. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.